In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Revolut account in 2025 fast, easy, and completely online. Whether you want a smarter way to manage money, send payments abroad, or enjoy perks like budgeting tools and crypto trading, Revolut lets you set everything up in just minutes. First, grab your iPhone or Android and head to the App Store or Google Play. Search for Revolut and download the official app, it's free. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll be asked for your phone number. Enter it, and Revolut will send you a text with a secure verification code. Type that in to continue. Next, fill in your personal details, your full name, date of birth, address, and email. This is required for account verification and to comply with financial regulations. Revolut will then ask you to choose a plan. You can start with the free standard account or upgrade to Plus Premium or Metal, which range from about £2.99 to £12.99 a month, depending on the features like travel insurance, higher ATM limits, or cashback perks. To confirm your identity, you'll need to upload a photo ID like a passport or driver's license and take a quick selfie for verification. This only takes a couple of minutes. Once approved, your account is live. You can top up instantly using your debit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. You'll also get a virtual card straight away for online shopping. And if you'd like, you can order a physical Revolut card delivered to your home. And that's it, your Revolut account is ready in just minutes. Thank you for watching this video.